Editing a commit message in Bitbucket involves modifying the commit history using git commands, as Bitbucket does not provide a direct interface for changing commit messages. Here's how to do it. Editing the most recent commit message. Open terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your local repository directory using a terminal or command prompt. Edit the most recent commit message. Use the following command to amend the most recent commit message. This command opens the default text editor where you can modify the commit message. Save and exit the editor to update the commit message. Push the changes. To update the remote repository on Bitbucket, use the following. Replace branch name with the branch you're working on. Force pushing is required because you are rewriting commit history. Editing an older commit message. Open terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your local repository directory. Start interactive rebase. Use the following. Replace m with the number of commits back to include the commit you want to edit. Change the commit message. In the interactive rebase editor, change pick to reword for the commit you want to edit. Save and exit. Git will prompt you to edit the commit message. After editing, save and exit the editor. Force push the changes. Push the updated history to Bitbucket.